Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to know some new keywords, some new topics in Java, and till now you have understand about the character, boolean and all the things if you have followed the videos till now. So let's start today's topic, and don't miss this. This is also a very important topic. Whenever you are going for live projects and all, you are going to use this keyword. This keyword is a word. This I am talking about this one, okay? So these are looking both similar, so I'm talking about this keyword, okay? And this is a very important to know whenever you'll go for the live task and all. You can see it here. Like if you'll compare this video and you compare the starting video, you can see we are using some different type of syntax, okay, like professionals and all, and this is in that way only we used to develop our live projects, okay? So let's start. Here I have created one class, okay? Class name is a student, and in student I have passed some variables like int, roll number and name, okay? Roll number, name and fee. And then in same class I have created one method. In method I have passed the parameters. These parameters are coming from this variable in class, okay? And here we are using this keyword, okay? So what is the use of this keyword? Why we are writing this? So basically we are just pointing out, okay? We are pointing the variable members. This is our variable, okay, roll number, okay? So we are pointing this as a this because we are going to pass multiple values. So for multiple value we are not going to print like we are not going to define for everything. One time we will just write, and it will give the multiple values as per our requirement, okay? So you can see it here. This keyword we have used for roll number, this dot name equal to name for name, and this for fee for fee. So this is pointing, okay, this is pointing the member variable. Now you can say that in Java this is a reference variable that refers to the current object, okay? So you can see it here, like and another method is like display, okay? So in display method what we are doing, you can see it here, that system.out.println, and we are passing some these variables like roll number, name and fee, okay? So you also need to understand that the way we have written, in that way only you are going to write, okay? And here roll number, this roll number is coming, name is coming from here, and fee is coming from here, okay? Now in our main keyword, this one is our main class, okay? In main class this is a void main method, and this one is a header part, only header part, so we can get our like details in the proper way. And you can see here we have created here object. In object we are passing three values, okay? This is integer type, string type and float type. So here as we have mentioned, like integer, roll number, string type is a name, and fee is a float type, okay? So you can see here this one is a string int type, is string type, and the float type. Same we have created another object also. In another object we have passed some details, and let's see how we will get the detail. So s1.display will display all the means as per we are defining. If we will increase another line, so it will add it here only, okay? It will add again. So s.display will here we will get these values only, okay? Because we are pointing this method s1.display, okay? So just run it and check the value. So value is coming, you can see it here. The value is coming like roll number, this roll number, name and fee, roll number, name and fee, and below this whatever objects we have, in object we have created pass the value, these values are coming here, okay? So in this way we are using the keyword, and there could be multiple way to write the code. So this is also a one way, so you can start your work in that way also. If you have some another idea also, you can make comment out, we'll like, and we will make comment also. So thank you for today video. Take care. Bye bye.